Happy New Year, guys, and welcome to my first Temu haul for 2025. And first up, I have a nail lamp, and I got it in white. They come in both pink and white, and it was $12.92 at the time of purchase. And I decided to get this one because it has a little bit of bling. And that's really the only reason I chose this one. I do have one already, but I decided to give that to my daughter and get this one. So I will try it all out and sort of test things for you as we go along. So this is what it looks like. The little bling on top is kind of covered with a plastic coating, and I guess that's to protect it. I didn't want to peel that off, and I will plug it in and show you how it works. So here it is working. It has the 3 buttons. It's got a 30-second, 60-second and a 90-second timer, and it seems to work okay, but we'll see how we go, as I said, as we go along, and I'll test it out. The next item I got is a brush holder, and it was $1.49, and I got this so that I don't get polish all over my desk or whatever I'm working on, so I'm a little bit disorganized sometimes, so I thought I'll get this and this will help me out a lot. So it was only $1.49. Next are some ocean themed nail decals, which were $2.54, and they will be featuring in an upcoming ocean nail set that I will be posting shortly. Next up is a double-ended nail art tweezers with pressing head. It was $2.62. They're quite sharp actually, which is going to come in handy for picking up little jewels or something that I've dropped on the table, or for getting the stickers off the decals. Sometimes they can be a bit tricky, so I thought those, and also for pressing the stickers on. And then I got some chrome powder, and this one is a holographic powder, and it is, or I got it for a design that I had in mind, which was a labradorite crystal. And for those of you who know your crystals, you will know what that means, and I will put it on a test nail and sort of give you a little bit of a look how it looks, and you'll see it featured in an upcoming video down the track when I do the labradorite nails. Now, I forgot to mention the price of this. This was $2.14. I'm just applying it here over a clear top coat. It is a what they call a rainbow unicorn mirror effect, so it's not going to really show you effectively over clear base. You can kind of see it there in the light, but you can put it over black base, white base, any other color, and it will have like a rainbow effect when it hits the light. And I hope that this is going to work on the nail set that I have in mind, but I'll soon let you know if it doesn't. But it's a pretty holographic color anyway to have in the collection. Next, I got this nail ombre brush, which I don't really have a good ombre brush, and I really like this because I had like the rhinestones in the handle, and it was just really pretty. And for $3.14, I thought that was a really good price, so I will be trying this out, and it's really pretty and good quality. It feels good quality. Next, I got one of these silicone stampers, and you can use them for French tips. I've never used one of these before, but I've seen lots of people use them, so I thought I'm definitely going to get one and give it a go and try it with French tips and also for stamping. So I'm going to just test it out now. I think I'm going to need a little more practice with this. As I said, I've never used one before. I'm used to doing my French tips sort of freehand, but I thought this might cut the time down and make it a little bit easier. So I'll give this a bit of a practice. As you can see, I'm not a whiz at it yet, but I tell you, one thing I did learn from a YouTuber is, rather than wiping these, if you may already know this, but if you don't, it might be a handy tip. Rather than wiping these off and ruining the silicone, you just cure the polish, and then when you pull it out, you can just peel it off, and it protects the silicone. So I thought that was a great tip, so I thought I would share it with you. And the price of this was $1.55 at time of purchase. And as you can see, you can also peel it off your finger if you get it on your hands. Just cure that as well and peel it off. The next item I got was some ultrafine white iridescent glitter in the color Sparkle White. Now it's 50 grams for $5.24. That's a lot of glitter. So I'm looking forward to using this again. It will be in a nail design. Pretty much everything I buy is already preempted a design that I have in mind. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. Now the next item I got is a crystal cat eye gel nail polish, and it's called white bulb crystal. So I'm going to be interested to see what this looks like over a variety of colors, but I'll show you what it looks like on a swatch now. Sorry guys, when I was filming this I completely didn't realize this was a cat eye polish, so I forgot to use the magnet, but you can get some idea of what the color is like just from the swatch. And it was $4.17. Well, that's curing. I'll move on to the next one, and this is a Jelly Nude Gel Polish Translucent Pink in the brand You Are Sugar, and I got the color URJ005, and I was hoping it would be a little bit more translucent than what it is here on the swatch. In the picture it definitely shows a more translucent look, but I'm not really into the real pinky pink if I'm going for like a French natural look. I actually prefer it to be more nude. So it's still pretty, and if you are you do like the pale pinks, then this will definitely be for you. But I might actually try and get I think it's J007 next, which is a nude, and that was $3.70. Okay, so here's another package that I've opened. So the first one I'm going to show you out of this is the coffin nail tips. There's 15 sizes in here: soft gel, clear, half matte and full cover short ballet nails. They're pre-filed, and there's 330 pieces in a box, and I got them for $5.80. And this is the perfect size for me. I don't like having nails that are too long, but you can get them in longer if you like as well. Next are some decals. So I got these ones here for a nail design set of memorial nails that I'm going to do next. Pretty much should come up straight after this video. It was in memory of my best friend who passed away in 2019. So they just arrived on time, and I plan on doing some angel wings, and they were $4.04, and they are the Aurora Crystal Diamond ones. And I'm really looking forward to doing that set. Next up, I am getting ready for Valentine's Day nails, so of course I had to get some hearts in pink and red. They were $2.10, and I got some other decals as well. I really love working with decals. They're just so easy than trying to do nail art, but if you prefer to paint things on yourself, go ahead by all means. I just love working with these ones. Now these ones are Golden Love Heart Chain Key Bow Knot. That's a mouthful. So you've got little chains, little keys, little love hearts, and they're pretty as well. So I might do a few different designs, and they are $2.11. And these are some pink and purple fairy orchid nail art stickers, and these just matched some colors that I have that I just want to play around with, so they're not for any specific theme, but these were $2.13. And last of the decals are these floral leaf nail art decals. These very Hawaiian looking bright floral designs are $1.54, and I thought I could try them with some fluoro polishes and that I've got to give a really bright summery floral design. So looking forward to trying those out. Now I have some polishes to show you, and what I did for this batch is I went ahead of time and did the swatches just to save some time for filming. So the first one I've got to show you is a Lily Cute brand, and it is in FO83 the color, and I've got 2 coats on this one and a top coat, and it was $2.23. Now this one is from the Glass Series Sheer Nail Gel, and I've got a feeling they might have sent me the wrong color because I asked for BC46, which was more like an aqua blue, and it looks like they've given me maybe BC82, which is the darker blue, but that's okay. I am using it for a set of ocean nails, which I've already mentioned will be coming up, so it'll still work. It's just not the color I originally wanted, and it's a bit darker, and they were $3.94. Now this one I have been eyeing off for quite some time, and I decided to bite the bullet and just get it. It is an absolute beautiful color. It's by Lily Cute. The color is LCJS07. It was $3.23, and as you can see there's two coats and a top coat, and the lighting really doesn't do it justice. It's got a beautiful magenta color to it in certain lights, so I cannot wait to use this one. Now the next two polishes are from the same brand, and I can't pronounce it, but it's FTMY, and this color is FJ35, I believe, and I will link it below. But this was a really gorgeous color, very similar to one that I've already got, but slightly pinker, and that was $2.13. Yep, so just looking at the color on top, that is the right color that I mentioned. So love this, can't wait to try this with maybe some of those Hawaiian nails. And the next one, again in the same brand, same price as well, is color FJ46. So that's kind of a bit of a peachy pink, which I don't have, so I thought I would give this one a go. And again, $2.13. I will link those down below. They have multiple colors in this brand, and I just love the bottles, so I thought I'd give it a go and see how it worked out. So just showing you the two pinks that I got in the collection, just to show you that one is a little more peachy than pink, and just to show you a comparison. But basically that's all I've got for you today, so thank you for watching. If you've gotten this far, would love to have you subscribe or give me some feedback and comments, and come across to my Instagram, Easy Nails by Rachel Lee. Thanks guys.